just got gas. I'm in Kentland, Indiana right now. I think we're gonna head down 43, or not 43. We're gonna head down 52 for a little bit and head towards Lafayette. But gas is gonna attain. I ran it to about as low as I have in a long time. It said I had like 12 miles of range left, which I probably had more than that, but I just wanted to dump the tank out completely. Well, I didn't turn my cruise on like an idiot. I saw about maybe 6 or 7 bikes go by as I got on. I like stopped, pulled off to get gas. But that's where I'm at right now. I'm probably heading down north for Lafayette or thereabouts. It's gotten windy. It's probably, I don't know, you may or may not be able to hear me. We're probably got about 20, 25 mile an hour winds right now. So yeah, that's always fun. I'm going to save some battery until we get to Lafayette. We'll see you there. All right. Yeah, I just turned on the State Road 18. Finally got a little bit of a tailwind, so you guys might be able to hear me. Starting to work my way back to the house now. No real interesting thoughts. I'm just clicking off miles. I haven't stopped since yeah, I got gas. I'll probably go ahead and make a pit stop in like Brookston or in which North White is it? Monon? Maybe. Sounds. I think it's Monon. One of the two. I'll make a pit stop at least, stretch my legs and whatnot. Yeah, the wind right now is out of the west southwest. So talking when I'm in when I'm not going east is kind of iffy. In addition to getting blown all over the place. I'm thinking I should be home in about an hour and a half. So it gets me home right about 1:30, 2 o'clock, which is kind of about when I wanted to be home. A little bit earlier, but not by much. That way I can go back and finish up getting the trailer done. And then watch the end of the Masters, because, you know, it's Masters Sunday. Interstate 65. Right there. Boom. Chicago and Indianapolis. Good control cities in dot for once. US 52 control cities were kind of Lafayette is fine off of 3. You know, Lafayette is fine off of 41. But if you're going to go with 41 being Terre Haute, Evansville, well then why not have 52 be Lafayette and Indianapolis? That would make sense. But then again, yeah, a state DOT doing something that makes sense. What am I thinking? And even one that's pretty damn good when it comes to signing cities, signing control cities. Okay, well, that's enough of a rant on that. I'm going to cut it, and we'll pick this up after I stop to use the bathroom and get a beverage. Alright, see you in a bit. Well, I don't know how much battery I got left. I'm coming into Monticello, and yeah, coffee is a hug and a mug. I agree. I absolutely agree. The Beer Factory. Okay. Monticello. I know this is Tippecanoe River. I don't know if this is kind of technically Lake Schaefer or Lake Freeman. I don't know which one's which. This guy in the Buick is ticking me off. I mean, I don't know what our limit is here, but you know, come on. We got a Monocle's Pizza here too, huh? Well, we used to have a Monocle's Pizza, not no more. Well, I'm in Judson. Unfortunately, my dumbass missed all the. Unfortunately, my dumbass missed all the damn Lake Schaefer loop because I'm an idiot and my battery died. And da 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 da. So I'll have to do that again. So that was a fail. And then in addition, I must have forgotten to lock my spigot for my drink bottle because it came open and dripped a little bit of the water out, but it's not a big deal because I mean there's nothing really in there right now in that saddlebag other than there's nothing in that saddlebag other than the liner, and yeah, it'll dry. It'll dry, it's fine. I just put a towel in there and sop it up when I get home. Yeah, that sucks I missed the loop of Lake Schaefer. I'll have to do that again recording because that's actually a pretty damn good ride. But I should be home in like 45 minutes. So a couple things I know with this thing. The new bags are definitely a plus. They're bigger, they're easier to get in and out of. You're loaded from the top instead of loading and having a squish. So that's a plus. As for, I might be looking to get like a Chemi Tour Pack rack bag too. I don't know yet. I don't think I'll need it. I think between the you know the I think between one of the bags and then that will be fine. One side will have my batteries and stuff in it. The other side will have my water bottle in it. Hello. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking at least. Yeah, it sucks my plans have to change a little bit because of College World Series being when it is, but it is. So I ain't gonna be mad about it, it just is. I'm glad we're already in the middle of April, but at the same time, you know, it's like, what the heck is going on here? Why are we... It's been going so quick this year. We'll be at that before you know it, and then after we'll be at the road trip before you know it, and then after that I'll be in the and then right after that, you know, I go back to work for a month, and then I leave for Sturgis. It's like, yeah. it's just amazing. You look forward to trips like this for so long, and then before you know it, they're there and then they're gone. So it's like, ugh. This thing's right at about 42K already, man. It's just been funny the way it, you know, it's the way it is. It's just, when you start looking forward to things, time flies, and going to be redoing this bridge too. I mean, I know I want to end up with my trip this year either to Reno or to Vegas again. Most likely we'll do Reno this year. Now, will we do the Loneliest Road again, or will we do, will I do Loneliest Road again, or will I just take 80? I don't know yet. And who knows, like I said earlier, the way the world's been on fire, I mean, we may not be able to, gas may go up to $8 a gallon by then. I'm not expecting it to, because I don't think it'll get that bad, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure, like I said, we're going to try to probably get to either Kansas City the first day, Friday afternoon, try to knock off work between 10 and noon, get to either Kansas City, St. Joseph, ideally Lincoln, but I don't know if I can make it to Lincoln. Everything's going to depend on how bad traffic is on 80 heading west, and then also, yeah, like if we can get out before 80 starts getting crappy, yeah, getting to Lincoln's not that difficult. But if, you know, I don't get off work till 1 or 2 o'clock, well, at that time, yeah, I might be able to make it to, say, oh, like halfway either on 36. I might be able to make it. Where do you pick up? I'm trying to think where 36 meets 35. Is it Cameron, Missouri? I think. Yeah, probably there. And the other thing is, a lot's going to depend on what the weather's like. I'm not going to ride through a thunderstorm. So, yeah, if it ends up being where they're like, yeah, there's a 15% chance, or, you know, a 20% chance of showers and storms. Okay, yeah, we'll run through that. That means you might get one little gully washer or something. Okay, I can work with that. Same thing is true if you know, you look at the different options route-wise. Okay, you can't go that way, can't go that way, okay. Well, I kind of have to go down 80, so I guess I'm either going to just suck it up and get all the way to Lincoln, or da-da-da. If I can't make Lincoln, I'll have to stop shorter, or that, whatever. I don't know. Yeah, I'm still... That'll probably be like the week before we'll start finalizing exactly my routing. And that's because weather's going to be a big part, as is... weather's going to be a big part, as is what I can find hotel room wise. And I'm keeping looking in that area to see if, well, maybe, you know, if I take, when 80 shoots down towards, you know, Council Bluffs and Omaha, what is it now, 880, I think? Keeps going pretty much due west to get to 29 north. Well, if up there it's not as bad, well, maybe you go there. I don't know. You know, I'm looking. I'm not sure yet. I'm sure my plan will change 3 times in the next month. You know, maybe we head for 40, maybe I don't know. That's the thing. Travel plans, they can change so many times. Yeah. And not even because of like weather. I mean, weather's a reason to change your plans. But anyway, we're about home. So until next time, y'all be safe. Keep that shiny side up, that greasy side down. I'll catch you probably next weekend. Later.